Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Saitama from One Punch Man. It's going to be like its upper body. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's jump into it, alright? Okie dokie. I'm going to do some at the very end of the drawing lesson that's going to tie it all together, so stick around to the very end. So let's get going, okay? I'm going to start with his egg head, right? That's the whole thing. And we don't have to draw that right off the bat. You can draw like a curve here for the top of his head. And then what you could do is extend that down on one side. Extend it down on the other side. And then kind of, you know, loop it underneath. Like that. Right? It's more like an egg, really. Let's go over here to his eyes. I'm going to draw a line across right there. It's going to be another line across over here. Curve underneath. Same thing on this side. This anime is pretty awesome, especially if you watched a bunch of anime. It's like a parody of other anime. Go over here, down for the nose, line across there. Very simple, very simple features. Small line here, like he is not amused. Gonna go over here and put a line for his eyebrow, line for the other eyebrow. Dot. Dot. Very simple egghead. Let's go over here for his ear. Okay, the top of the ear is going to be about where the eye is, and the bottom is going to be about where the nose is. So right here, I'm going to go out, curve. Over here, out, curve. Curve over here. Curve over here for the inner ear. You draw like another line over here for the inner ear too if you want. Down, down. Curve underneath, curve underneath. Right here for the shoulder muscles. One line right here, one line right here. It's gonna be for the pit of the neck. That's kind of what we're going over. I mean that's it's going down to straight across for kind of this outfit. And then we're gonna have his caped shoulders. So that's gonna pull down here, over here. It's gonna pull back up over here. Same thing on this side. Pull down, pull up over here. Up over here. Up over here. Out, out, up, curve. Over here, it's going to be, again, the cloth is going to curve around in a certain way. And same thing on this end. Let's draw like a dot here where his cape is held down by. Going to go over here on this side, curve for the shoulder, curve for this shoulder. Zigzag a bit for the cloth, kind of the tension, kind of like leaving the cloth there on the arm. It's going to be folded up. Straight down, straight down. Over here there's a zipper at the top. It's going to be like a square and a circle attached to the end of it. And then like a circle inside that circular shape. I'm going to go over here, pull in, down, down for kind of where that zipper is going. Curve underneath there. Down over here, rectangle, line, line, line. And we're going to have the armpits over here. We're going to have where it's holding. Well, first thing I do is I'm going to have the hands across right here. So I'm going to draw the hand across, and he's got like these goofy gloves. So that's like the top of one as he has it across. Curve around the corner. Zigzag underneath. Up. Sorry, the camera cut out a little bit. So what I'm going to do over here is draw a cape out here. Line over here, line over here. And also the line for the rest of his torso. We're going to have it just kind of go downward. And I'm going to put a circle right here for his belt. Literally going to be a circle at the center of his belt. And just draw these rectangles across for the rest of his belt. Maybe like a circle inside that. That's pretty much it. Hit the like button if you want more anime. I was thinking about maybe putting a lot more anime on this channel, but it's going to be up to you whether you want that or not. So let me know what you think, and I will put more anime on here if you like. But you have to tell me in the comments. Otherwise, please share the video if you enjoyed it, and stick around for the announcement right now. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.